Today I'm sharing how I make the most delicious barbecue spare ribs right in the oven. I bake them low and slow, and they always turn out so tender. To get started, pat the spare ribs dry with paper towel and spritz all over with about 1 tablespoon olive oil, front and back. It takes about 1/4 cup of your favorite barbecue rub, rubbed all over the ribs, about 2 tablespoons on each side. Rub it all in there and then pop in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 2.5 to 3 hours until internal temp is 190. Then you want to brush the top with about 2 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue sauce and pop them back in the oven, covered with foil loosely on top until the inside reaches 203 degrees. This takes about another half hour. These turn out super tender. If you can wait a bit longer, you could pop them in a cooler to actually stay warm and tenderize for another hour or two, or enjoy them as is. If you love foodie recipes and easy things you can cook right in your own kitchen, make sure to sign up for the Foodie Fridays email list at sipbitego.com. Delicious.